Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. I love this top. This is so me. It's a little bit baggy. I love the colors. I think I got this from Forever 21. It was so affordable. And yeah, I just love it. But anyways, today I'm going to be packing with you guys for my Florida trip. So I guess I'm going to start with the hair tools that I'm going to take. So I'm going to take this diffuser right here. I actually gave it to my sister and she loves it. I love it too. It's perfect for traveling. If you lose it, it's not like if you lost like a $400 Dyson blow dryer, you know what I mean? Like I am always so scared of like taking expensive stuff with me when I travel because I don't want to lose anything, you know what I mean? So I'm going to be taking this diffuser. I don't have it with me right now, but I figured I would get that one out of the way. So that's the diffuser that I'm going to use over there. I might even just let my hair naturally like air dry sometimes, my curly hair. But if I have to dry it quickly, it's always nice to have a diffuser, and that one is small and like I said, it's perfect for traveling. So the next thing that I'm going to put in my bag is this blow dryer from Amika. This one is so good for traveling because it's affordable. I mean, it's not like the Revlon, which is like $60, but I feel like this is pretty gentle on my hair. I'm also going to bring this Amika straightener. I can straighten my hair with this very quickly, very gentle on my hair, and I can also create some curls with this straightener. So I'm going to be taking this with me as well. And those are all the hair tools that I'm going to take with me. I am going to try to curl my hair more out there. I might straighten it like once, so that's why I'm bringing these hair tools, but I am going to try to curl it a lot more because I'm going to be like in the hot, nice weather, and I'm probably going to be wetting my hair all the time anyways, like in the pool or the beach, so I'm most likely will curl it most of the time, but I'm just bringing these just in case. So now on to the hair products. So I am going to start with my curly hair products. I have these little traveling packs that I want to fill up with some shampoo, conditioner, gels, and all that. So I'm going to do that right now actually. I'm going for a week, by the way, so I'm taking enough product for a week. Okay, so I just received some curly hair products from Bounce Curl and I can't wait to try these. So I'm actually going to try these in Miami. So stay tuned because I'm thinking about filming in Miami. I don't know if that's something that you guys are interested in, but I really want to maybe vlog out there or create some fun hair content out there. So yeah, or like a get ready with me for a date night out. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna add some of this shampoo in here. I have to do this unfortunately because I mean it's good because I don't overpack and I have more space in my carry-on, but I can't pack anything over 3.6 ounces I think. So this is 8 ounces. So this is too big to take with me, and I'm gonna try to put an S on this bottle. S for shampoo, just so that I know what product I'm putting on my hair. So ooh, my god, I am so messy. This is me 24/7. Okay, so I'd rather just do it like this. So I'm just gonna pour in the shampoo. This is kind of satisfying. Ooh, this smells really good. By the way, please don't use the shampoo and conditioners that are at the hotels. They are just not good for your hair, okay? So here's the shampoo. I'm going to use this only when I curl my hair because I'm going to take another one actually from Playa. Playa actually sent me these shampoo, conditioner, and this oil that I'm going to take with me. So I'm going to use these products when I blow out my hair. So this is for damaged hair. So I'm going to take these whenever I want to like put heat on my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to put the conditioner in another container. So let me put a C so that I know that this is conditioner. I gotta bring a lot because I use more conditioner than shampoo. So I don't know if I should fill another one of these, but I think it should be fine. Now I'm going to put this curl leave-in conditioner from Verb, and I like using this product before I put gel on my hair because it leaves my curls so soft. So yeah, I'm just going to try to put this in here. Oh my god, so messy. there you have it. So this is the leave-in conditioner. So last but not least for the curly hair product is this one from Bounce Curl. So this is the cream gel. So of course I need a gel. So I'm gonna put gel on here. Okay, so I got my curly hair shampoo. I'm gonna put this in here. I have my conditioner from Bounce Curl as well. I have the leave-in cream from Verb, and I have this gel from Bounce Curl. So I'm gonna put all of this in here. I'm also gonna put my other shampoo and conditioner from Playa for when I want to blow out my hair. I'm gonna put it like this. So like that. And I'm going to take this oil that I actually used today, and I love it. It leaves my hair so soft and super shiny. This is also from Playa, and this is their Ritual Hair Oil. So this is to add shine and polish. So yeah, I'm going to put that in there. So I'm going to take these two tiny products for prepping my hair before a blowout. So this is the Amika the Wizard Detangling Primer. It's the perfect mini size, and it also does detangle my hair super well. So I'm going to take this with me as well. I'm going to put it in this bag. I'm going to try to fit it in there. And I'm going to take this R&Co High Dive Moisture and Shine Cream. So you add this before a blowout as well. And it's supposed to add more shine and moisture. So yeah, here are all my products. So now I'm going to put some more like random stuff in other little bags. So in this bag, I'm going to put some just random stuff that I have here. So this, I don't know if you guys remember this, but this is to kind of add a little bit of color to some like spots that need help, you know. So this is perfect for when I put my hair up, and if I feel like my hairline isn't like super nice, I'll add a little bit of this. I'm also gonna put some more random stuff in here. So I'm gonna put this silk headband. I'm going to take some scrunchies, so I'm gonna put that in here as well. I'm gonna take this clip, and I'm probably gonna take a couple more. I'm also gonna put some of these Revlon clips in here, and of course I'm gonna take some of these bigger clips. I love using these to like set some curls, you know. I'm also gonna put two of these creaseless clips just in case if I want to put them in the front when I'm doing my makeup. I'm gonna take these clips. Love these when I curl my hair. So yeah, I'm basically just putting like my favorite little clips in here. I'm gonna put these as well. So just have a couple of accessories, and of course I'm gonna put a bunch of bobby pins in here. Like I'm gonna put, I don't know, like 20. I also got these French pins from Kristen S. I got them from Target. This is rose gold, super pretty, and then this is a black one, but I'm just gonna take one of each. Maybe I'll use them, maybe with my curly hair, I'll see. And last but not least, I'm gonna put two of these crocodile clips because oh my god, they come in handy when I'm blowing out my hair. So I need to have like two really big ones at least, just to kind of like clip my hair up. So yeah, that is it for this bag. So here I have bobby pins, clips, accessories, hair ties, and yeah, I already know I'm going to use this so much, so I'm going to put this in here as well. So the last thing that I have to pack are my brushes, because of course I need brushes to detangle my hair, to style it and all that. So I'm going to put my Juli brush in here. I use this in the shower to detangle my hair. I can also use it on dry hair, like after I blow it out, even if I decide to curl my hair and kind of like loosen up the curls and give it more of a Hollywood wave. So yeah, I'm going to definitely pack this, and I'm going to pack my Denman brush to style my curls a little bit. I love using a Denman brush to get more defined curls, so that is why I'm taking that with me, and I'm going to take this comb with me as well. This is great for when I have to like section off my hair and when I'm blowing it out and all that, so it comes in handy. I love it. Why am I carrying this? This is so heavy. But yeah, as you can see, that is what I'm bringing with me. And I hope that this is enough space for me to put all my shoes and my clothes now, because I am bringing so much hair stuff, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked packing with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I am going to try to film in Florida. Let me know if that's something that you guys are interested in, and if so, like, what do you guys want me to film or post. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.